Valentine's Day is all about love, appreciation, and a thoughtful gesture. This year, I decided to create a special DIY Valentine gift box filled with carefully selected items that carry a deep meaning. Whether it's for your loved one, friend, or even yourself, this gift box is a perfect blend of love, care, and practicality. So let's pack these gift items together. So this is my handcrafted gift box. I actually explained how to make it in my previous video, so you can just check it out after watching this video. So I'll be placing this transparent gift wrap first before placing the box. So at the base of the box, I'll be placing a soft towel which symbolizes comfort and a strong foundation, just like how love should be. So for the items, with me here it's Valentine non-alcoholic wine, a symbol of love, joy and celebration. Next is morning fresh liquid soap, which symbolizes love and cleanliness, reminding us that love is actually looking out for each other's well-being. I also have cooking oil, which is essential in cooking, representing a smooth flow of love in relationship. Next is Hollandia yogurt, a refreshing and nourishing drink that is actually good for our health. I also have no seasoning cube, which adds lots of flavor to our meal, just like how love spice of life and relationship. Next is custard, an easy to make meal, just like how love should be. Simple and yet fulfilling. With me here is couscous, a comforting meal that brings people together in love. Mayonnaise also adds a creamy taste to our meal, just like how love adds richness to life. Toothpaste symbolizes fresh start and self-care, ensuring we have a bright smile daily. Butter actually makes our meal and every moment extra special. I also have tomato paste, which is one of the kitchen essential ingredients, which symbolize nourishment and sustenance. Serviette actually represents care, neatness and that which makes life beautiful. So this chocolate biscuit is for a sweet treat to satisfy cravings, just like how small gestures of love do. I also have a little cake to celebrate love, joy and togetherness. So this gum actually represents freshness and fun, reminding us to enjoy little sweet moments in life. Flower is a timeless symbol of love, beauty and appreciation, which completes the whole Valentine vibe. Lastly, I have a note which adds a personal and heartfelt emotion to the gift box. So just go ahead and wrap up the gift box using a ribbon. I'll also be placing this heart at the middle. So this gift box isn't about the items, it's about the thoughts behind them. It's a way of showing love, appreciation and care in a meaningful way. So would you like to receive a gift box like this? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you next time with a more creative idea. Until then, do have a lovely Valentine's celebration. Bye!